Hey, what's going on, everybody out there? This is your boy Brian Music for Life, and what I wanted to do was come at you with a quick tutorial. I want to do This Christmas by Donny Hathaway, but I'm doing this for two reasons. The first thing is I want to show my advanced players how to utilize their left hand more, and then secondly, I've heard a lot of people playing this intro wrong, so kind of want to clear that up. Now the song is in the key of F, and in the key of F you got F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So you just got one accidental, which is the B flat. So let's get right to it. Okay, so let's go with the first chord. So in your left hand, you're going to have a B flat and an F. And in your right hand, you're going to have an A, C, D, F. Okay, next chord. In your left hand, you're going to have a double E flat, E flat, E flat. And then in your right hand, you're going to have a G, B flat, D. Okay, next chord. In your left hand, you're going to have an A, and in your right hand, you're going to have an E natural, a G natural, a C. Okay, next chord. In your left hand, you're going to have a D and an A, and in your right hand, you're going to have a C, F, A. Okay, next chord. In your left hand, you're going to have a double A flat, A flat, A flat, or you don't have to do this A flat up down there. And then in your right hand, you're going to have a C, E flat, G, B flat. Okay, next chord, you're going to have a double B flat, B flat, B flat in your left hand. And again, you could leave out this B flat right there if you want and just play this one. In your right hand, you're going to have a D, F, A. Sweet chord. Okay, then next, in your left hand, you're going to have an E flat. And in your right hand, you're going to have a B flat, D, G. Okay, and then you resolve it with the F chord. So in my left hand, I've got a F and a G, and then in my right hand, I got an A, C, F. Okay, so let's put it all together. Then you. Okay, and next chord. In your left hand, you're going to take and walk a C, C sharp, D natural. And then in your right hand, you're going to have A, C, F. Okay. Then you repeat it. Okay, and that walk is going to be C, D, F, C, D, F. Then you walk it down, start on a G, F, D. Okay. Now, let's get to the verse. Ain't all the mistletoe. Okay, so in my left hand, I got a F, G, A. And in my right hand, I've got a C, E, and an A. And what you want, you can add this G if you want to. So in the left hand again, you got F, G, A. And in your right hand, you got C, E, G, A. And you can leave that G off if you want to. I think it gives it more color. Okay, So next chord. In your left hand, you're just going to switch to a D. And in your right hand, you're going to continue to keep that C, E, G, A. Okay, next chord. So what I done is I rolled that. So I took a F and wrote it down to. So it's gonna take some practice if you're a beginner. So just roll it. And then after you do that, in your left hand, you're gonna have an E flat, G, B flat, and in your right hand you got a D and an F. Okay. And that walk is F, G, B flat, B flat. Alright, so let's put all that together. Start with the verse. Okay. This Christmas. Okay, so this. So in your left hand, you're going to have an E flat, a G, a B flat, and a D. Okay? And then in your right hand, you're going to have an F, B flat, D. Okay, next chord. Left hand, you're going to have a D and an A. And then your right hand, you're going to have a F, A, C. Next chord. In your left hand, you're going to have a C, G, B flat. And right hand, you're going to have a D, F, B flat. Then you just start all over again. Okay, next chord. Okay, so in your left hand, you're going to have a A and a C. And then in your right hand, you're going to have a G, A, C, E. The fire side. Okay, and then you're going to take and you're going to, next chord, you're going to walk it. So you're going to go from C, C sharp, D. So your right hand changes. So you're just going from, okay. So in the right hand, that chord. So again, left hand is a D. And then in your right hand, you got an F sharp, A, C, E. So the fire side. Okay. Next chord. Okay, so in your left hand, you're going to have a G and a D. And then in your right hand, you're going to have a G, B flat, D, F. Okay, and then the only thing you're going to do, you're going to keep your right hand the same, but you're just going to change your bass note to a C. Okay. Okay, and so let's throw that diminish in there because that sounds sweet. Okay, so in your right hand, you're going to have a C. And then, your left hand, you're going to have a C. In the right hand, you're going to have a B flat, C sharp, E, G. Okay. Okay. Okay, and this Christmas. So in your left hand, you're going to have a F, G, A. And in your right hand, you're going to have a C, E, G. And then you're just going to move your right hand to a C, F, A. So, okay. The next chord. In your left, you're going to have a B natural, a F sharp. And in your right hand, you're going to have an A natural, C sharp, E flat, F. Okay, and it's Christmas. Okay, next chord. In your left hand, you're going to have a B flat, F, a A. I'm sorry, that's in your left hand. And in your right hand, you're going to have a D, F, A. Okay, next chord. In your left hand, you're going to have an E flat. And in your right hand, you're going to have a G, C, C sharp, F. Okay, next chord. So in my left hand, I'm going to have an A and an E. And then in my right hand, I'm going to have a G, A, C, E. Okay. Okay, next chord. In my left hand, I'm going to have a D, a A, and a D, Dad. And then in my right hand, I'm going to have an F sharp, A, C, E. Now, in your left hand, you can, instead of doing Dad, D, A, D, you can do D, F sharp, D. It just gives it some color. And then in your right hand again, you got F sharp, A, C, E. Okay. I'm sorry, correction. Left hand, do a D, F sharp, C. Okay. And then the right hand, you do an F sharp, A, C, E. That's what gives it the color. So, not that, but this. Okay. Then that last chord in your left hand is going to be a B natural and an F sharp in your left hand. Right hand, you're going to have a A, D, F. Okay. Okay, y'all, and that's the whole song of this Christmas. So I hope this helps somebody out, and I'll be coming back to you soon with some more videos. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.